Ah, I'll get all the spider webs for you today. I love these fatty tires. So yeah, this is one of the first jump sections, and then we'll go down and do a bunch of stuff, and then come back up to the second one.
All right, cool.
So I wanted to make sure I had my air pressure figured out. Whee! Yeah. These bridges are slick when they're wet. Blech.
This is so cool. This little...
Yeah. Yeah, here's where I caught Quinn after he crashed. He was like still dusting himself off. There's all these ants. He's like, man, I kept getting bit by ants all day. He's like, they were in my shoes.
I bet this thing is...
Look at that ant hill. You gotta earn your turns. Woo! Too much. Don't go into the cradle too fast. There's a big G out at the bottom. If you go into that with too much speed, your suspension compresses so much at the bottom. Dude, this is actually easier on a fat bike than a regular bike.
Really?
Yeah, because of all the extra traction.
Yeah, but it's wet as shit.
Yeah, but this bike hooks up.
When I ride this bike, this must be what you feel like on a regular bike. This trail, I almost ate it right over there to the left.
Yee! It's a big hill. Watch that. All right, here we go. Go fast. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad now. Just watch that bridge. We come across it. Woo! Yeah, they got chicken wire on it now. I said they got chicken wire on that bridge now. That helps.
You know that part where we go super fast?
Yeah.
I was scared on that bridge coming down.
Just keep the wheels straight. My foot freaking unclipped. Ah. Whew. I don't like that section anymore. Ah. All right, I'm good now. That's the last scary part for me anyway. Now we just climb again. Thank goodness they didn't do that in the race. You skip that section.
You skip it in the race?
Yeah. Too many people get injured trying to race that. Granny gear! Come on, baby. Ah! That climb never gets easier. We're gonna skip the swinging bridge today, so none of us slide off it and die. I'm like, there's an easier gear. Nope, no, there's not. I got an 1146 on this bike, which is pretty good. This is a trail that will punish you if you stop paying attention to what you're doing. This is a route you gotta hit fast coming up. Oh baby, the furnace. Gonna get cooked. Oh yeah, squeaky brake. Open it up. Mud in my eye. There's not really any big uphills anymore. This section's fun. I like it a lot. That's super fun. Here's some more. Watch the trees on the left, they'll catch your bars. Yeah, that's probably my favorite little section of the trail, the whole, between that and the power line. Yeah, that spider right in my face.
Spider?
Yeah, I could like see him. Yeah, like right in my mouth. I like see him hanging there, and I tried to like duck, but he hit me right in the face. Hopefully he's off me. Nasty. Ugh. You're welcome.
Yeah. Way to go, Sonny.
I saved you.
Way to take it.
Holy cow. This extra protein. This part used to be like a dump.
Really?
So like the farmers, you know, they just dump their stuff in the woods.
Yeah.
So you find like tires and piles of junk all around here. Crotch tree. That's what we mean by old school mountain biking, because like
Oh my God.
back in the day it was like all about riding over stuff and like squeezing through stuff, because your bikes weren't able to go fast.
No.
Now it's all about flow and speed, but you get a few of those old school type features.
That's fun.
Yeah. So that Mohican's kind of like that too. It's got some fast and then it has some old school stuff. Oh yeah. Slow down. There you go. You just did the knob.